Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be demonstrating the replacement of the balance staff in a pocket watch from the renowned Swiss brand Longines. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you can, please subscribe to the channel to support my work. Thank you very much. This is the caliber of the movement. Usually, Longines marks the number near the balance cock. Loosen the small screw that secures the hairspring. Then separate the balance wheel from the balance cock. Carefully remove the hairspring, making sure not to damage it. Now remove the roller table, taking care not to damage the roller jewel. Now remove the broken balance staff. On the base of the Helios tool, select the hole that best fits the balance staff. Choose the tightest one, ensuring that the staff does not move during the process. Now choose a flat-faced stake and a rounded, dome stake. The first stake to use will be the rounded one. Position it correctly and apply light taps, gently rotating the balance wheel as you work. Now do exactly the same, but with the flat-faced stake. Position it correctly and apply light taps, gently rotating the balance wheel as you work. Now, using calipers designed for balance staffs, check whether the balance staff is properly aligned and free of any imperfections. Carefully reinstall the roller table, taking care not to damage the roller jewel or pivots. Reinstall the hairspring. Test the balance in the movement. In this case, I removed the pallet fork to allow a better inspection. With the pallet fork reinstalled, test the balance in the movement again. Now that it's running again, the next step will be a full service of the movement. Stay tuned for the next videos.